roll around, up. You can drop her down, bring her back up, roll her out, send her back around, back into that barrel roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back into the basket whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to show you the small, medium, large, then we're going to circle back up where we came from and do one more song as a mixer. This is everything you learned tonight. We started off that the leaders and follows always swing that booty just a little bit away. As you're moving away, leaders step back on the left, follows step forward on your right. Leaders, if you give her a little extra shoulder lead, that will give her a preparatory motion. 1. I then look away from her and she rolls past me. Triple step. I can be the cool kid who just stands here and then like, the feet were about right. Or I can keep that walk, walk, triples. Walk, walk, triple chase, triple step. We can rinse and repeat that as many times as we want, or we can do a basket whip, which where I keep both hands, right hand goes down low, left hand goes up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. She steps between me. She walks backwards, triple step. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk, walk, triple step. Walk, walk, triple step. We then showed how we can stop on 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, creating a little preparatory energy. Letting go with the hand. She rolls out. She rolls in. She rolls out, giving her a little bit of encouragement with that forearm so that she continues rolling. All of that together looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we roll her in, we can also do a little lean. Leaders, only do this if you're stable. If you're a little cockeyed, just roll her back out. Don't send it. But if you're feeling solid, you can give her a little bit of a lean, back up, triple her out, roll her in. Everything you just learned with a little bonus on top goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll around, up. You can drop her down, bring her back up, roll her out, send her back around, back into that barrel roll. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back into the basket whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Lauren. Grab your partner. Come on over here to the brown line. We got one song to practice.